Have you ever wondered what the share market actually is? Let us break down how companies and investors connect in this simple guide. At the heart of the market is the concept of equity, which simply means ownership in a business. There are tens of thousands of companies you can own a piece of, ranging from small local firms to massive global corporations. Companies go public to raise money, which they use to grow their business, build factories, or develop new products. The primary market is where shares are first born, but most of your daily trading happens on the secondary market between investors. Over time, the global market has grown significantly as more companies go public and existing businesses expand their footprint. Remember that successful investing usually requires a long-term mindset rather than trying to time daily price movements. Thanks for watching. Understanding the market is your first step toward financial literacy. Please subscribe for more simple finance explainers.